Hi, my name is Madison. I'm a recent graduate from Drexel University. I graduated with my bachelor's in biomedical engineering. And essentially, this project is modeling organs for perfusion studies for Dr. Reich. He's a transplant surgeon. I kind of got into this project by reaching out to Dr. Kurtz. He's in charge of this lab, and he gave me the opportunity to just learn more and jump on a project. So this was completely new to me. I've never 3D printed beforehand, so they trusted me with a lot and let me make mistakes to move forward and learn a lot myself. So this project was a big facilitator on landing my new position right out of school. So I got a job offer at the beginning of my senior year. Coming in here and being comfortable to fail and learning from that has really just made me grow as not only an engineer but as a person. So I'm just really thankful for this project and the relationships I've made with this project.